Parents can be effective role models for their children by displaying good financial behavior, especially during the COVID 19 health crisis, which has taught many lessons on priorities, goals, and limitations in life. If parents want their children to develop good spending and saving habits, they need to see them making smart spending and saving choices. They have to practice what they preach with consistency in terms of early financial planning. On this note, product development manager Muhammad Azhar, 48, says that he selected National Higher Education Fund Cooperation to highlight the importance of discipline in saving habits and saving for the educational needs of his two children. I practice self discipline to reflect on the importance of the savings habit for future tertiary education. I transfer Rm 300 each for my two children's national education savings scheme accounts every month. This has inculcated the saving habits among my kids. Muhammad Azhar opened two Nilam packages under the Simpan SSPN Plus this year during the launch of PTPTN's new product for his 19-year-old son Muhammad Daniel and 16-year-old daughter Nurdiana, while he has an existing Simpan SSPM Prime package, previously known as SSPN-I. Muhammad Azhar decided to open the Simpan SSPN Plus account due to the benefits and incentive it offers. Simpan SSPN Plus is a continuation of SSPM-I Plus, introduced on June 8, 2015, that has been improved and given a new look with various privileges and benefits for depositors. Simpan SSPN Plus offers 6 attractive packages that are affordable for parents, ranging from as low as 30 Rm30 and up to Rm500 monthly, and there is no need for a medical checkup. Depositors will be able to enjoy various privileges and benefits, including Taka full protection up to Rm 1.2 million, terminal illness coverage up to Rm 200,000, up to Rm 10,000 for COPS delivery service, a maximum of Rm 3,000 for outpatient treatment due to accidents, and protection up to age of 69. It is also very easy to save using Simpan SSPM, which is a Sharia compliant savings plan for education. Depositor will be able to enjoy privileges such as tax relief of up to Rm 8,000, Taka full coverage, and a competitive dividend, which is advantageous for them. I want to save early as education is very costly. If we start early, we will not have panic attacks when we have to send our children for their higher education. This will ensure you have, have a peace of mind in preparation for their tertiary education later. His son Muhammad Daniel is currently studying electrical power engineering degree course at University Tenaga Nasional. On top of that, he said that he also won a Cabutan Wow SSPM-I Plus draw for Rm 3,000 2 years ago. This was an additional bonus for Simpan SSPM. On his advice, Muhammad Azhar said, "Do not hesitate to save at Simpan SSPM, as it is a financial guarantee for your children's further study." Kantaruban 40, who is a recovery services department manager, said that he opened two Simpan SSPM Prime account for his two girls in August this year. I opened the Simpan SSPM Prime account with an initial RM20 deposit and later added RM4,000 for each girl at the PTPTN branch at MCOP Mall here. I want to teach them about early saving so that they do not have to apply for a study loan, or it could be very minimal when they need to further study at any institution of higher learning. I do not want them to have the burden of paying tax later. Besides that, he has confidence in Simpan SSPM, as he says it is a safe saving. It is a good product that is affordable for communities from all walks of life. Kanta Ruben said that he and his wife, credit control executive Jiva Moni James 34, had taught their daughters Kavi Yashri 8 and Hovi Yashri 6 the importance of saving habits by allowing them to earn rewards and learn smart spending. If they complete their school and tuition homework and do not receive any complaints from their teachers, they will earn RM10 as each week as a bonus, while each page of homework done well earn them an additional of RM1 ringgit daily. They will get between RM70 and RM100 per month. They have to divide the money later for various purposes, such as saving a portion of this money for their Simpan SSPM to be deposited by the end of each year, as well as buying stationery. As for the ang pao money that they receive from their uncles and aunties during festive season, they can keep it as another fund and use it for shopping. Alright.